Okay, here I have a demo on how I have a markdown notebook and how I can have an agent, an LLM, that can come and interact and run that notebook, access to my variable. So you can see here I can run my variables, and I can have some sort of hover and information with them. And what happens is that I have this panel where I can see the value of my variables live. And so if I change that to blue, and then you can see now this is blue. And so what happens is that this is a markdown notebook. You can see it's a markdown, and it can be live edited by coding agents, and I made a CLI so that they can come and interact with this runtime. So I have a Python runtime right now. It's on and ready. So let's open the terminal coding agent here. Let's open the coding agent that I like to use. It's called Py. Okay, so if I say hello, use mrmd CLI to find, I will remove the blue here to find what is the value of blue in my current Python runtime. And now I'm GPT 5.4 minimal, not sure it will be enough. It's looking at the command if it exists. It's understanding my CLI. I'll just say use. Oh, it used help. Okay, it used help. And so now it's seeing that I have some stuff alive. It used the language and it got the blue. And so now it knows what is in my runtime. And then I'll ask it, can you add something to my runtime? So now it's transcribing, it's there, let's go. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll look at the variables, and now it didn't add anything. Get back to the terminal. Oh, now I went in big view. Sorry, yes, I can add something. Do it. We are doing a demo. Anything you want. Okay. We'll have it in split screen. So now I should, in theory, have variables. I can look at them here. So it says that I have a great, demo here. We have demo value. Should have demo value. I have demo value 45. This should be somewhat mind-blowing to you if you've been in the notebook literate programming AI coding space. It's pretty cool. And so now the next step is I will get it to add stuff here and run it. So let's go back to this. By the way, you don't need to start it here. It's just that I want to, I'm preparing to be able to do it from the phone and online. Like, you can share a link and interact. You can add comments. You can do so many things. It's crazy stuff. So I'll say, okay, so can you add a cell, maybe a cell that would do a plot in Python, and then execute that cell in my notebook? So the CLI command is kind of responsible to know what notebook I'm focused on. And I can close it, I can focus here. I should be able to see things pop up, and I should also be able to do things, and it should be robust to have a really nice sync between what the agent does and what we are doing. So so the agent came in, it messed up these things. I could either get it to edit the markdown, or I don't know if it's gonna resolve it. Now it's doing a new one. Yeah, so it has fixed it, it has corrected it, it has run it, and boom, beautiful. Now we have a plot. And so this is all marked down. So on file, you would see that, but the plots were automatically generated and put into like a relative place for that. We can actually see it if we want to have the source mode, and so now it's not rendered and we just see this. I'm supporting the formula, the tables, a lot of things. We even can make it more like a Word document here, and we can even like style our header, but not like Word. You don't style things specifically, you style kind of semantic elements, and so you can change your, you can make it look good, you can have it more like a page view. A little too big for that page view, yeah. So I can make it page view or not, and I can go back to no none of that. Yeah, let's close this. Let's go back to our coding agent. Let's make sure we have R started yet. So R is started. Let's see our variables. There is nothing in R. Let's ask it to now make a nice plot in R with ggplot. Let's go. Support Julia, the bash. It can also do bash command, like could list things and whatever. So now it has listed stuff. Okay, we have added, it's now running. It seems like we will replace the plot. Yeah, here we go. That's it. That's the demo I have for you for tonight. I think it should be good enough. It's exciting. Close that. I mean, maybe some AI commands. So I can select all that and open up a command like that, and I can be like doc string, and so I have an AI command that says add documentation to code, enter. Now I have a little bit of a shimmer, and then boom, documentation added to code with kimi k2, so it's pretty fast. I mean, this is cool. I find it really cool. We're getting somewhere.